Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the surface and applying the first thin layer. Clean the panel until no residue remains, then dry with a microfiber towel so the product bonds. Once done, test a small hidden spot to confirm compatibility. Make sure there's no haze or color shift. Apply a light, even coat using a foam applicator. Don't press hard. Spread in overlapping passes to avoid streaks and wait the indicated dwell time before moving on. Continue by building protection with multiple thin coats, not one heavy layer. Apply 2 to 3 additional coats, allowing about 10 to 15 minutes between each so the polymer bonds. This increases durability and slickness. Use circular motions for coverage, then follow with light crosshatch passes to even the film. Once layered, buff immediately with a clean microfiber to remove high spots and lift haze. This step seals gloss and ensures an even, long-lasting finish. Finish by allowing the coating to cure for 24 to 48 hours. During this time, avoid water and heavy contact so the film can harden. If you spot streaks or high haze, don't panic. Reapply one thin coat to the affected area and buff after 10 to 15 minutes. If surface contamination like iron or tar shows through, clay bar gently, then repeat the application steps. This troubleshooting keeps the finish uniform and restores.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.